Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Login with China. So we are here at the Anshi Ghat and you can see these landslides, but you can also see the beautiful fields, the greenery and the scenic beauty in monsoon with many waterfalls. And you can see this really giant waterfall. I don't know how high and how long this waterfall is. So guys, I don't know if you can see the intensity of this giant big waterfall, but this is so wonderful and a humongous waterfall guys. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.